Total's 50. The total's 50.
So what do you think?
I love it.
It
exceeded my expectations.
Yes, I love when that happens. It exceeded mine too, if I'm being honest.
It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful. You should enjoy it and have products here and happiness and health and your family always around, and amen.
Thank you. Thank you.
I always tell her that. I'm like, I'm sorry, but you're stuck with me for life.
Whose house is it?
It's his house.
Okay.
So he's the owner.
Okay.
And his daughter got married. So she's gonna be staying here. We're trying to figure out how to give her some more space. Among a bunch of other things that we have to do. Hello? See how the wall just like pitches down? Yeah. It'll just continue going down because we'll put her bed on that wall. You could still only do a queen. You can't get a king unless I move that window. So she has no closet space, and now there's two people living here because she's living in here with her husband. So, you know, this closet is a really sad closet. So my suggestion is to take this down up to here, and that way the wall and the ceiling will just pitch. Move the bed onto this wall and come into that room by just a little bit to give her some, you know, a linear closet. I believe in a good energy and, you know, your surroundings controlling that energy. You want to feel good in your space. And when you feel good, you do good and you put more good out into the world and things are just good.
I like good.
Good. The original color story for the bedroom in the window treatments had orange and purple. But this little girl, she hates this orange pillow. It's her worst thing ever, she said. So we're changing her color story up a little bit also. She loves the purple. We're just gonna add a shot of hot pink, and I think it's gonna be adorable. I was asked by the DSN Community Center to teach an interior design class. Broken measuring tape. I pulled too hard. I yanked it like right out of the... DSN is the Deal Sephardic Network Community Center. So it's in the center of Deal. And I accepted their invitation. And this is the first class. Well, and this is why I do it in inches. Furniture is measured in inches, not by foot. So if you have 117 3/4 and you have an 86-inch couch, you know, okay, no problem. But now you do 9 feet, whatever, and then you convert it, and then you think you have more than you really do have. And what if you're an inch over? That 1 inch could matter. When I measure, I always round down a little bit just to you know, give myself a little bit of a cushion as far as like furniture planning goes. The thing that I found interesting when they were measuring and they were rounding up, the thing I wanted to make sure that they know is I measure furniture in inches, specifically because if you're over by 1 inch, that matters. You always want the walls. You don't pay attention to any built-ins ever. So let's do it again and see what we got. design is constantly evolving. It's not steady, it's not static. Everybody can gain from somebody else's design questions because it opens up, conversation. Down to like doing things that it's not about what's coming next. It's about what works for you. I think it went really well. I taught them how to measure and, how important measurements are. Okay, smile! For next time is I want a more fully developed plan. I want a more comprehensive plan based on what we talked about today. Fire, flame, wisdom this morning. Did I eat, breathe, and sleep design?